Okay.
Today's challenge for the connectors is Shark Escape Track.
Whoa, what's with the shark? The shark! Wait, we can put a shark in our next awesome track. Let's get to it. Let me see. Danny, Matt, go get what we need. The loop, and don't forget the color change cars. Let's go! Come on, guys, hurry! This is gonna be so great. Connectors! It's time to connect! Let's do it! The track, give me a piece. Go, 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 go! Against the shark! Wow, you changed color. No! Oh, look, the shark trapped the police car. Let's help it out. Yeah! I got this. Go for it, Danny. It goes in the tank. Yes, we did it! Go, 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 go! Yeah! Incredible. Let's try again. Yes, one more time.
Don't miss the next episode where the connectors will create another awesome track. Join the team at HotWheels.com. Sets, track, diecast cars, color change cars, and apparel each sold separately. Color change cars change color in warm and ice and water. Batteries not included. Adults assemble.